In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill image in Excel. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to place a picture so it actually lives inside a cell, lines up neatly with your data, and behaves the way you expect when you copy, sort, or filter. Start with your workbook open to the sheet where you want the image. Look to the ribbon at the top and go to the Insert tab. This is where Excel gathers everything you can add to a worksheet: charts, shapes, and of course pictures. If your window is narrow, you might just see icons instead of full labels. That's fine. Hover to confirm you're on Insert. Next, choose Pictures. Excel will prompt you to select an image from your device or another source, depending on what's available in your version. Pick the file you want to use. A quick tip before you confirm: choose an image that's cropped close to the subject and not excessively large. Smaller, well-cropped images keep your workbook responsive and look cleaner inside a cell. Now, before Excel drops the picture onto the sheet, look for the Placement option and choose Place in Cell, then proceed with your image selection. This is the key to making the picture behave like true cell content. Place in Cell anchors the image to a specific cell so it moves, resizes, and hides with that cell. If you later change column widths or row heights, the image adapts automatically. It also means the picture will sort and filter with your data, which is exactly what you want when you're preparing a list, catalog, or dashboard. Once the picture is placed in the cell, you'll see it neatly confined to that space rather than floating over the grid. From here, duplication becomes straightforward. Because the image is in a cell, copying that cell or filling it into other cells repeats the picture predictably, just like text or numbers. That's the practical foundation for autofilling images across a range: consistent placement that copies cleanly without manual realignment. A couple of quick best practices to keep everything tidy. Consider setting your column width and row height first so the image fits the design of your sheet. Square cells pair well with square or circular subjects, and consistent sizing across rows gives you a polished catalog-like look. If accessibility matters in your workflow, you can add alt text to images later so the sheet is easier to navigate with assistive tools. And that's it. Insert, pick pictures, choose Place in Cell, and select your image. You now have images that align with your data, copy cleanly, and work seamlessly in everyday Excel tasks.